Hello everyone, this is Dexter John Sipin and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I build my DIY surf skateboard. But of course, before that, please do not forget to like this video and also hit the subscribe button below the screen if you haven't subscribed to my channel. So sit back and relax while I show you how I build this awesome board. First, we will need a deck. Any size will do, either short or long deck as long as you are comfortable when riding the board. What I have here is a rip and dip 31 by 9 inch deck with double kicktail with a slight concave to help prevent from wheel bite. As you can see, I added also some holes to adjust the tracks to add more of wheelbase to become more stable. Wheels. To move the board, of course, we're gonna need some wheels. These wheels that I have is the Amio wheel size 70mm by 55mm with a 79A durometer. This wheel has a wide contact patch, so this helps you for a better grip and turns. This wheel is also used for downhill, so this is reliable for sliding and speed. Trucks. To build a surf skateboard, one of the most important part is the trucks. The trucks that we are going to use is the Revenge trucks. It is one of the old school trucks that can mimic surfing and snowboarding while cruising in the streets. To know more about the Revenge trucks, I will leave a link of their website in the description, or you can comment below if you want me to make another video about these awesome trucks. Bearings for the wheels. I have here the bearings with built-in spacer, so if you're gonna use a regular bearing, better use also a separate spacers. We will also need some Allen bolt nut and some washers to connect the tracks in the deck. Rubber riser pads is optional, but I like to put riser pads to help absorb vibrations, especially for rough roads. For tools, we will need a skateboard T-tools. You can also use powered screwdrivers for quick and easy tightening the nuts in the bolt. So now that I showed you all the things that we need, let's proceed building the surf skateboard. First, we are going to put the bolts in the deck and insert the rubber riser pads. Take note that this is optional parts, so it's up to you if you consider putting one, but I recommend putting this because it helps absorb vibrations when riding the board in rough surface roads. After that, we will loosen the kingpin nut and remove the two washers, axle, and the bushing from the kingpin. The reason why I remove the axle is to have an easy access putting the nuts in the bolt and tightening the base plate in the deck, since this truck has a unique design. Once we connect all the nuts in the bolts, start tightening all the sides using a T-tool or a powered screwdriver. Once we put all the nuts in the bolts, do the same thing on the other side. Check and make sure that all nuts are tightened in each bolt. After connecting the two base plate on the deck, we will return the bushings axles, and 2 washers on each side. Don't forget to put back the kingpin nut and tighten it, depends on your own riding style or preference. After the tracks are all set, I am going to show you how to set up the wheels and how to put the bearings. All you have to do is get one bearing and insert it in the axle. Then get the wheel and insert the outer side of it in the axle and push it down until the bearing goes inside the core of the wheel. Do the same thing on the other side of the wheel, but before that, put one washer first and then the bearing. Put the inner side of the wheel in the axle, then push until the bearing is inside the core of the wheel. Put another washer and the axle nut, then tighten but not too much. Do this in all the remaining wheels. Alright, and now we are done building my DIY surf skateboard. And as you can see how it can make a tight turn when moving it in toe and heel turns. With patented torsion track technology, Revenge drastically reduces turning radius and keeps a fluid motion with minimal effort from the rider. The patented external locking mechanism allows for extremely tight turns while reducing the chance of wheel bite. So now let's go and try this board. But before that, thank you guys for watching my DIY surf skateboard. Please do not forget to give it a thumbs up, and I'm hoping for your continuous support on my channel. So enjoy life, move and explore, and stay safe.